Okay, so I found a pretty easy, in my opinion, way of putting stuff on the server, not through the app, but putting stuff on the server and getting the information from the server to the app whenever the app asks for it. So this is our server. It's a Google Excel sheet, and it's not the most pristine thing in the world, but hey, everybody got to do your own thing as long as it gets a job done. Let's see. Let me show y'all building 72. So yeah, building 72 here. I got this. Copy, paste, and go. By the way, you can put this on your computer too, and it'll work just the same. So you can test this if you want. But one thing I noticed is that this takes forever. Just look at it. It takes a really long time, which is super unfortunate because it's so easy to use. But yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it takes a very long time. So I don't know if y'all can fast forward or something, but it usually does not take this long. It takes this long maybe about like 40% of the time, which really sucks. And then maybe like 5% of the time, you'll just get an error in general. But yeah, look at it. It's just like, okay, you know what? Postman is actually a lot faster than Google Chrome for some reason. So look at that, was a little spoiler there. I saw your message, Jeremy. So we're gonna go ahead and post that URL right here. No, what did I do? What was that? Building 72. Copy. Paste. Send. Hopefully this is a lot faster. Waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. There it is. Okay, so this is JSON. You can see it right here. JSON. This is our JSON objects. As you can see, class ID. Class ID is 6 for Phil, room number 42, etc., etc. You can see the same thing over there. Okay, what if we want to update it? What if Phil moves his room? Let's say to 52. Then we just call this again and waiting. Boom. So, okay, so something, if you want to change something in here, make sure that this says saved, as you can see 18 minutes ago. So as soon as I move the mouse or click somewhere else, now it's saved. So boom, now we wait again, waiting. It really does suck that this takes a while, because this is super easy. Boom, Phil, room number 52 updated, bada bing. Now, okay, well, how did I do that? So I made these 3 buildings, but let's go ahead and make another one because it's no big deal. Building 11 and what it'll just save. Let me go ahead and copy this. Copy. Building 11. Probably shouldn't make it caps. Paste. Okay. So the only thing I'm going to change here is the numbers and maybe Bob's name to John. Space this out, make it a little more neat. Change the office hours too, and I changed all that. So this is already different from building 72, but you know, I can't just call this and expect this information. So what I gotta do is go to sheetsu, go here. I made an account. You can make an account too. It's super easy. It's like 2 clicks. They make it like amazingly easy if you're already logged onto your Gmail account. By the way, this whole website I think is just booty because it takes long to get the info and it takes long to do anything in here. So like I said before, which is really unfortunate because this is like an amazing website for what we're doing. So it's just unfortunate. Okay, it usually doesn't take this long, so what I'm gonna do is retry. I'm gonna go for it again. Let's see if it is any faster. Okay, just like fast forward or something if the screen hasn't popped up. And when you see the screen change, then stop fast forwarding. Here we go. Okay, so table is just another word for Excel sheet. JSON API is what we really want. So we made our building 11. We take this URL, copy, and we paste it right here. Create JSON API. Now we wait just as long, probably. I think this website can't handle more than 2 people at a time because this is kind of nonsensical. I've had it do it in like 5 seconds, and I've had it just give me error, like total error. So here we go, building 11. We made a API. So what we want to do is we want to come down here, boom bada bing, copy. I'm gonna go ahead and save this MLO note thing as building 11. Cool beans. And look, it already look at how fast that was. That was way faster than anything else. Classroom 16, Professor Phil. Room 15. Where is John? John right here, and that is this. So now something to understand is these are all exactly the same except for this last part. This is what separates each building. And once we get the JSON object of each building, we can dissect that for the elements that we do want. So let's say you scan a QR code, it gives you the building number and the room number. So we take that building number, we have a key for it already on the app, and we send that key off to the server to get all the information about that building. Really, we're not saving this number with the QR code, we're saving this number, which will in turn give us the building number. So really we don't know what building we're scanning until it brings back the information with that building number, if you know what I mean. So when we scan the QR code, we get this and the room number. That way this we can pop into this part when we send off to request a JSON object, and then when this whole big bad boy comes in, we just dissect it until we get to the object with the building number. So like building number 72, okay, then we want all the information about this, and that is what I think we should do. And I don't think we need to change anything in here, because on the app you're just receiving information about the building. You're not really adding anything or trying to change anything. That could be done by the professors or dean inside these Excel sheets if they need to. So, which you could just give this Excel sheet to the dean of sciences or something, and they can easily go in and change Phil to room 42 or something. Super easy stuff. But yeah, hopefully y'all got it. If you need me to explain anything else, I will try my best. So yeah, any questions, just let me know.